Okay, so another thing that I love to make are quiches. So I'm actually just making this quiche solely based on these poor mushrooms that are going to go really bad, or pretty much almost are bad, but whatever. I'm going to put them in a quiche and it'll be fine. And also this ham that I have that's on the verge of going bad, so it's all going to go in a quiche. So I'm making an onion, mushroom, and ham and cheese quiche. So I've got 2 tablespoons of butter, 4 ounces of onion, a package of mushrooms, 4 ounces of ham. I've got 8 ounces of cheese, 6 eggs, a cup of heavy whipping cream, some salt and pepper, and then I've got my pie plate and my avocado oil cooking spray. So the first thing I'm going to do is come on over here. Of course there's bacon there, it's for something later, but I'm going to get my onions and my mushrooms cooking on the stove. And of course, I'm going to cook them in butter. So while I realize I say so an awful lot, but that's okay. Anyway, while my mushrooms and onions are cooking over there, I'm going to whisk up my eggs in my bowl and mix that with my heavy whipping cream and some salt and pepper. And then things should be ready to rock. I'm going to spray my plate down with my oil. Crack my eggs. I always like to do the big flourish when I crack eggs. I don't know why. Get right in there. I'll probably end up, I don't know, freezing some of this, or the ladies in my office like this, so I might just bring it for them on Monday or something, and they can have it for breakfast. Quiches are just so easy. I like having them to use up, like, oh dear, I have a little shell in there. Awesome, I'm so professional, aren't I? So I like to, there, always feels so good when you get it out. All right, you know, because you can just put anything in a quiche, really. And like, who doesn't love eggs and cheese? I mean, I guess there are a lot of people that probably don't love eggs and cheese, but I ain't one of them. All right, so I got my cup of heavy whipping cream in there. I'm just gonna do a little salt and pepper. And then I'm gonna whisk that up. I do love whisking. It's like a little bit of an arm workout in there. So just whisking it together as you would for an omelet. And yeah, I should also mention, obviously it's a keto quiche, so there's no crust. I don't think I've ever even liked the crust. Like even when I was a kid, I loved quiche, but I never liked the crust. Like when I ate pies too, I don't really like the crust unless it was a graham cracker crust. Now that was good. All right, so I've whisked that up. And all I'm going to do is go back over here, check on my onions and my mushrooms, and once they're ready, I put them at the bottom of the pan with the cheese and the ham, and basically I just pour this over top, and that's all it is. It's super easy. So my onions and mushrooms are done, so all I'm going to do is transfer them into my sprayed pie plate. Oh my gosh, I love the smell of mushrooms and onions that have been smothered in butter. So good. So I've got those in the bottom of the pie plate there. And then I'm going to put my ham on top of that. So, I mean, you don't even, the original recipe, I think, didn't call for ham. But like I said, I was trying to use mine up. So I've got now my ham on top of my mushrooms and onions. And now I'm going to put the cheese in. This is going to be a crazy big omelet. I probably could have used less cheese or quiche. And I've preheated, well, I had my other stuff in the oven at 375, but this you actually bake at 350. So, whoo, I hope this is going to fit. This is pretty tight squeeze here. So I've got everything in there, my ham, my mushrooms, my onions, and my cheese, and now I'm going to top with my eggs and heavy whipping cream. Just kind of pour it on. Yeah, it looks awesome. I haven't made one of these in a while. They're just so easy and it's so delicious. So here, I'm going to do a little of this action. There she is. I'm going to pop it in the oven and bake it at 350. I think I have to double check, but I think for about 30 minutes. And then check it after that. So I just took the quiche out of the oven. I baked it at 375 for exactly 35 minutes and it looks perfect. So super excited to have this week as well.